Hey, this is Mia. She wants to repair her newly purchased house. But she doesn't know where to start from. Don't worry, Mia, your solution is here. Introducing Sachit Elite's Facility Services Private Limited. One of the most reliable service company in Bangalore. Providing one-stop solution for all your service requirements. Maintaining your promises with special care. And we provide a complete range of services. Our services. Check out some of our best works. Trust us, and we'll maintain your dream house. Now, Mia is happier than ever since she found company name.